I wonder what your message is to loyalists who might be watching this interview, who feel that their sense of British identity, their British culture, has been eroded and continues to be under threat. You're a former British Prime Minister. I don't imagine you could get anybody more British than you. Do you have any sympathy for their view, or do you think they have got it wrong and they need to rethink their position?
I think it's a phantom fear.
A phantom fear?
It's a phantom fear. It's perfectly clear from the Downing Street Declaration and everything that for so long as Northern Ireland wishes to remain British, so long as the people of Northern Ireland wish to remain British, they will remain British. No one is abandoning them. No one is pushing them to one side. We're seeing, if you look at everyday life in Northern Ireland, it is incomparably better than it was 20 to 25 years ago. Incomparably better for the people who are currently dissatisfied and for their children and for the future. And I think we have to look at that in the generality.
They don't see it that way. They say that they don't have educational opportunities, they don't have jobs.
There's a minority. Well, there are many people in Southern Ireland who don't have jobs. There are many people in the United Kingdom who don't have jobs. There are many people across Europe who don't have jobs. That is a function of what's happened economically after the financial problems of 2007 and 2008. But it is a different proposition, a different cause of the difficulty than that which existed prior to 1993.